Alright, we're coming. Hey, come towards Beecher. Lee and Beecher.
What starts as a routine call quickly explodes into a full-scale pursuit in the city streets. Officers lock onto a purple Charger, and within moments, the suspect is weaving through intersections and heading toward the interstate. With multiple units coordinating and traffic ahead, this chase is about to escalate fast. The real question now, how far is this driver willing to push it?
Alright, we're going to be crossing over J-Lo. Going to be going westbound on White. J-Lo and White. Alright, now we're going to be going northbound on the Peoples at White Street. Northbound on Peoples.
Hey, make sure you let the units just stay clear until we get there, please.
Still northbound on Peoples. Phoenix Radio.
21.
Crossing over Oglethorpe. And still northbound on Peoples. Phoenix Radio.
Go ahead, Phoenix.
Just want to let you know we got eyes on that purple Charger, Challenger. We're calling it on Troop C. Peoples and RDA. Peoples and RDA.
Copy of you on Troop C.
Unit behind this vehicle. Are you 10A? We're talking. Just play up.
Alright, we're going to be going eastbound on Peoples. Eastbound on RDA. Eastbound on RDA. Coming up to J-Lo.
7322
7322.
Making a northbound turn on the J-Lo.
Will you have the
Northbound on
numbers
J-Lo.
for this 41 piece that's on Delaware with unit 5646?
Alright, J-Lo coming.
Now the chase jumps onto I-20, and speeds climb to around 100 miles per hour. At this point, every second matters. Troopers have to balance pressure with safety, watching traffic while planning their next move. One wrong maneuver at these speeds could end the pursuit instantly. Would you stay aggressive here?
Oh, I'm sorry, I thought you...
Up to Oak Street. Just crossed over Oak, still northbound on J-Lo, going underneath I-20. Alright, we're going to be getting onto I-20. We're going to be going I-20 westbound from J-Lo. Alright, far right lane, I-20. Westbound. I-20 westbound.
1133 Delaware.
Oh, I'm sorry, I thought you wanted the case number. The location they're using is Del Mar Air United.
Alright, he's going to be middle lane, still I-20 westbound. Crossing over Langhorne.
You gave me the wrong address.
Cool, you on Tower, Atlanta Police 01. Alright, he's driving on the shoulder, speeds are about 100. He's on I-20 westbound still.
Yes, sir. Westford Cemetery. We're in a pursuit westbound along I-20, 1,600.
Approved. Alright, still I-20 westbound. He's getting off exit Samurai. Coming up to MLK, I-20 and MLK, getting off the MLK exit. Alright, we're going to be going eastbound on MLK, east on MLK. Disregard U-turn, back westbound on MLK, westbound MLK underneath I-20.
Moving to Miracle Radio.
I'm checking with the dispatcher. Give me a moment. She's talking. And
Alright, we're coming Anderson Avenue. He stopped underneath the overpass of I-20 on the Anderson Avenue, underneath the bridge. We don't have eyes on him right now. He stopped.
Location at this time.
Alright, now we're going back MLK westbound on MLK. be coming up to Hamilton E. Homes, westbound MLK.
Tower Air 1, we're on the side streets now, we're still pushing westbound.
Still westbound MLK.
322, that's going to be 783 Delmar, 783 Delmar.
Still pushing westbound. Move Air 1.
Alright, we're still westbound MLK coming up to Hamilton E. Homes very shortly. Westbound MLK coming up to Hamilton E. Homes. He's going to be in a far right lane, making a northbound turn on the Hamilton.
6513, man. APD Fever is a GSP. I'm behind it. That's definitely the car. He's just over here monitoring the frequency of Collier and Hopkins and Adair. Alright, if you're marked, back off.
Is there a unit pop?
Come on, you know
Hopkins
what's on the
and
cover.
Adair?
Alright, still northbound Hamilton. Left turn onto Loghaven, so he going westbound on the Loghaven.
He's on Troop C. I'm trying to get with the GSP operators
So
right
we're going to
now.
have to either double bank to Hamilton E. Homes or go to Collier.
Alright, he got a car that's kind of slowing it down, but he's still westbound on Loghaven.
Appreciate it.
Here, guys.
Still west on Loghaven, coming up to West Simon. Still westbound. Alright, turning into Chalmers. We're going to be going northbound on the Chalmers. Alright, they're going to be belling into these trees right here. They slowed down northbound on Chalmers. We got a trooper that's coming behind them, but we don't have visual. They're underneath the trees. Hold up. Vehicle is back on the move. We're going to be going northbound on Chalmers Drive. We had some other guys jump out of that vehicle, and now the vehicle's back on the move. Northbound on Chalmers coming up to Collier. Alright, we're going to be going westbound on the Collier.
The Linkwood. Everybody stopping. Alright, we're on Linkwood. We're going to cross over I-20 George. I'll go on Linkwood. Clear. Alright, Linkwood, we're past Redwood, we're south now. That's Linkwood, head okay, Linkwood. Nothing okay, crossing over the truck. Don't go westbound on MLK. Westbound MLK. Couple minutes out. Right behind us right now. We're highway traffic up ahead. We're westbound on MLK. Passing Lyndhurst. Translate to you behind you. Alright, almost 41. We're westbound. I'm 15 on MLK. Coming up out of Louis Drive.
Alright, coming up to MLK, crossing over the tracks now. Crossing over the tracks, we're going to be going westbound on MLK.
5021.
Westbound MLK.
Alright, we're a couple minutes out.
We got a trooper right behind him right now. We're moderate traffic up ahead, still westbound on MLK, passing Lyndhurst.
You got 2 APD units behind you as well.
And here's the turning point. Troopers finally close the gap and execute a pit maneuver, ripping a tire off the suspect vehicle and forcing it sideways.
Alright, crossing over the interstate, still westbound on MLK. Almost 1050, sideways east.
ACIC right.
Still westbound, opposite lanes on MLK, coming out on 285. Alright, crossing over the interstate, still westbound on MLK. Almost 1050, sideways east.
ACIC right at 5021.
Vehicle lost a tire pit maneuver. Driver's failing, black male, parole, hoodie, running northbound into the wood line. He's going to be behind 3379 MLK, Heavy Woods.
Keep your eyes on the way.
Phoenix, we got heavy tree covers. We don't have eyes on him, but he ran behind 3379 MLK into the wood line. If we can get a unit come up to Delmar Lane at 3366 Delmar, you'll be parallel to him.
Phoenix, if you can see the blue building, that's just south of. It's just south of us. This is where we're at in the wood line. It's a big blue warehouse building.
Just come to the next cross street up north. We don't have any eyes. We will have real heavy trees.
Oh, I got it right here. Hey, that's where we at. I'm running behind Cascade Spring. Hey, where you at? We got a good perimeter. We're on Delmar, and I'm right here on the power line. I'm not Cascade. We're back here with them in the wood line.
What unit is that? I can advise you it may be finding a detail on another channel.
You say you got him?
We got one of them.
Is that the one with the maroon hoodie on? Blue jeans?
Okay, when they keyed up, did their unique or anything show up?
No, all black. It may be finding a detail on another channel.
You say you got him?
A dangerous getaway attempt. Quickly,
We got one of them.
decisive pit maneuver.
Is that the one with the maroon hoodie on? Blue jeans?
Pursuit break.
Okay, when they keyed up, did their unique or anything show up?
No, all black.
Alright, give us the radio. We're out over here. Give us the radio. Go 10-3, Atlanta.
Okay, but it is going to be MA7 with the detailed GSP.
84, where you at? We pushed south of my patrol car into the wood line. There's a blue warehouse. We got one 1095. The other one's all black.
So his units with him.
I'm not sure where he's at. He's pushing southwest.
There are several units out. The other one in all black, we got 1095.
No, burgundy sweater is 1095. Outstanding. He's the one that has the gun.
Yes, we have the one in all black.
APD has one and you have the other.
Good job, James.
Alright, do y'all need the dog anywhere or y'all good?